welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm Ipsy. Like I said, I don't know what it is anymore. I'm pretty sure it's just Ipsy now, even though they said they didn't switch over. But let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is the box that I got. I don't know. I think this is supposed to be the Luxe box. So when you open it up, let me kind of turn it this way. This is what it looks like. You have your little magazine thing. I really don't ever look through that, to be honest with you. This box does retail for $357. They don't tell you on the little tab thing that used to come in there, the little paper thing anymore, the card. I don't know why I can't think right now. They actually tell you after you do your picks how much your box is going to be worth. So I pretty much know everything that's in here now. It's not a surprise anymore. So the first thing that's in the box is this right here. And this is a charcoal detox dry shampoo. I love dry shampoo. I actually used it today because I didn't feel like washing my hair. And this will get me through sometimes 3 days without having to wash my hair, which is awesome because I have super oily skin and hair. By the next day, I usually always have to wash, but when I have dry shampoo, I can get away with more days without washing. So I'm really excited, and I love this brand, IGK. It's one of my favorites. So I will definitely be trying this out, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. Next thing that's in the box is this thing right here. So this is a sunscreen, is what this is. It's like a face sunscreen. Let me go ahead and open it up. So this is what it looks like. I did get this. Oh, look at all that pressure. It's a lot of product. So this is what it looks like. It's actually really thick. I got it for my face to help protect my skin. It has a very thick feel. It almost feels like the same texture is, I don't know if you ever tried the butt paste for babies. That's the filling for it. It's very greasy filling. So something definitely that you do not want to put makeup over because your makeup's going to slide around. So this is if you're just going to the beach with no makeup on, definitely put some of this on, or you can just put it on your body, but that's not going to last too long for your entire body, but it's great for your face. Let me see. Yeah, it's face and neck, and it can last up to 4 hours, and it's SPF 30. So I did get that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw away the box because I'm going to be using that. Next thing that's in the box is this right here. So this is supposed to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improves appearance of skin texture and blemishes, hydrates and balances oiliness and dry patches, soothes the look of redness and stress. So you're supposed to apply it to face and neck twice daily for external purpose. So it's like a face cream, which I love a good face cream. I actually have a lot open right now, so I probably won't be using this right now, but when I run out, I will. So it smells like it is unscented. I'm not getting any smell, but I will definitely be using this. I love a good face cream, and it is by that brand right there, in case you're wondering. I don't think I said this one either. That's this brand. Okay, next thing that's in the box is this thing right here. So this is a serum. So that's what this looks like. I don't even know how you would say that brand because the writing's hard to tell. But you apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean and dry skin AM and PM. I have a lot of face serums, so I'm going to put this back in the box and I'll use it later. That way I know exactly what it is because I do have, I'm not even saying, I've got a ton of face serums, let's just say that. So the next thing that's in the box is this right here. It looks like it's a lipstick in the shade Lip Service Power Play 575. Ooh, I love the packaging. Let's see the color. It's not wanting to come out. Dang it. Got a little bit on me. Yeah, that looks like it's going to be a pretty shade. That'll actually match with what I'm wearing today. This is like 100% my shade. Now this is really hard to get out though. I got a little tinge right there. So I will definitely be wearing this. I like this. I've wanted to try this brand's foundation for a while now, but I'm happy I got this. I really like the shade. I'm gonna throw that away because I'm gonna be putting that in my purse because I really do like this color. Next thing that's in the box is this right here. And this is Huda Beauty mascara. So you can see I'm not opening this because I already have a couple mascaras open right now. But that's what it looks like. So this is 2 mascara. Okay, so I think this is like a dual mascara thing, depending on what you want. Let me see to make sure. Yeah, so this is a dual side mascara. That's actually really pretty. I love the packaging on that. It's very unique. Same with this. They're both got a very heavy, like high-end feel. So I will be using this, but not right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my makeup. The next thing that's in the box is this right here. And it does not say what it is. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what it is. Ooh, this is rose body oil. I literally just bought some of this at Walmart, but it wasn't the same brand. This one looks like it's going to be a lot more luxurious. I will definitely use this. I love body oils. And it smells beautiful. I love the smell of roses. So definitely, I love this. Highly recommend if you want to smell amazing, have very moisturized skin, this stuff's where it's at. I got one more thing. Let's go ahead and check it out. It's this thing right here. So this is Aloe. So this is a cheek duo palette, and it is by the brand Natasha Denona. I love her eyeshadows. Let's go ahead and check this out. This almost looks like something that I already have. Yes, I have one that's almost identical to this. I don't know where I put it, but I literally have this exact same thing. I just forgot about it because I have so much makeup. Look how pretty. Look at that color. That's going to be really pretty. And you have this, which is just like a highlight. But that, it's going to give you a really pretty bronzy look. And you can use that as a blush, and it's going to look really pretty. But yeah, that's everything that I got in this month's Ipsy box. I absolutely loved it. I think I got a really good box. I will definitely be using everything that I received, which is not normally how it goes. So I do really like this box. Definitely worth the price. Like I said, this retails for $357, which is insane because I think it was like around $60 this month. But yeah, that completes the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.